Good morning from the Oasis of the Seas on elevator. Where are we, Ryder? We're in Labadee, he doesn't know. Yeah, it's about 9:45. We're headed to the island now. We have a bungalow, a beach bungalow on Columbus Cove. And we have the water park at 11. And the unlimited on the dragon slide, so that's what we're gonna do now today and enjoy Labadee. So we just got to Labadee and we ran into these people again. So Paul and Mary Jo that we were next to last night, and we were on our ship last year, which we never met them then. But yeah, so now we're headed to Labadee. Ryder got to meet them. And now we're headed over to Columbus Cove. Okay, so we just got on. We're gonna find Columbus Cove. I know we have to take a tram, but look, the ship. So we got a picture in front of the ship and a picture in front of the island, and now we're gonna take the tram. So we're just headed to the Aqua Park because I know the Aqua Park is on Columbus Cove. So that's what we're looking for now. So here is the tram to Labadee. You can see here, we are at Dragon's Plaza and we need to go to Columbus Cove. So here is Columbus Cove. The tram station is number 7 and we're headed to number 8. So we gotta walk over there. And then the slide is all the way up here, the cafe, and then the water park is over here. So this is the little Columbus Cove area. And it took us exactly 10 minutes from when we got on the tram to when we got off the tram. So 10 minutes from the first stop to Columbus Cove. And this is considered a really good area for the family because there's no waves. So a lot of kids, you can play, it's kind of like a bay area. So, and here is the check-in for the beach bungalows over here. Okay, so here we go. And it's just off to the side. So you have a little bit of roped area if you want a little bit more private, but then you have the area here, very close to the slide and the water park. Okay, so we just got to the beach bungalows at Labadee on Columbus Cove. I did a separate video for that, kind of talking about where we got off, the stops, how long it took us, the tram. So I'm going to post that up here so you can see that video. Kind of gives you the tour of the beach bungalow, so you don't have to watch this video if you just want to care about the beach bungalow. But so far, I'm really liking it, really liking the location, and I'll give you a quick tour right now. So there's Columbus Cove. There's 8 bungalows. We are number 6, so beach bungalow number 6. There's 2 more, but they're pretty close together, so I don't think you have to worry which one is which. Really great location. Slide over there, which we have all day, and then we have the water park. So really great. We don't have to be going across all back and forth. If you're going to be doing the flight line and the coaster, then this is probably not a good area because the check-in for that is 10 minutes away. So just keep that in mind, that the island is very big. It's going to take you a while to get places. So try and pick one area and do the activities in that area. So that's it. It is 10:37. I'm going to get wet a little bit. We're going to head over to the Aqua Water Park now. So we're going to be doing that soon. And that's it. And my drink is here. So there's my drink. Hello. Okay, great. Ryder and Ray are already in the water, enjoying the floating mats that we get. The cabana does come with 2 floating mats, or a couple floating mats. Comes with floating mats, and then, it looks chilly. Towels and everything. And so enjoying. Hey, Ryder, you like it? Yeah. Good. You ready to go do the water park now? Not yet. Oh, not yet. And I had 2 bottles of champagne that somebody sent us and meant to bring one of them today so we could put in the cooler. Totally forgot about it. So we're gonna have 2 bottles for Coco K. Okay, so we're headed now to, it is 11 o'clock now, so we are gonna head over to the water park. I did bring a rash guard just to protect me from the sun. I'm white. I might have a spray tan, but I'm white. So I'm gonna have this, and we also have water shoes. I'm hoping that we can wear the water shoes during the water park because it's physical, it's in the water. Ryder has to wear a life jacket. I'll show a little bit of that in this video. I'm going to be filming with a different GoPro. Audio is probably going to be bad because it's going to be obviously in the water, but I will have a full video just of the water park, of everything I film in a separate video so people can see that. So we're going to head over there now. I'll put that up here, And yeah, so I will be back, and the next time I come back, I will probably not look as cute. So check-in was super easy. Just had to sign the waiver, got a band, and also gave us the band for our Dragon Pass, Dragon Splash, whatever it's called, Dragon whatever slide. So we got that. So now we're headed up to the water park. Everybody does have to wear a life jacket. Thank you. Try and do this. There she goes. There she goes. Okay. Okay. Oh Jesus. I think I'm just gonna chill here. This is exhausting.
No way. You're doing this, girl. You're doing
Ryder.
this.
Ryder's a champ. I'm exhausted, and I've done 2 things.
You dare me to jump out into the water? Ready? One, two, three. Yeah, you are.
Okay, go. Good. So this one has like a little stairs on the sides. This one has no stair. So it's not hard to pull up, but you need to take some strength.
Oh, you're brave. Look at that.
Good job, Ryder.
Seems to be light. You're brave.
Okay. I just have to say I'm so proud of Ryder. He's doing so good. Yeah, I'm totally chilling on this. This is what it looks like inside the igloo. Look how to chill. Oh yeah. I'm gonna chill in here. I'm gonna chill in here. We're trying to convince Ryder to jump. That is crazy. And he's gonna climb down. Hey Ryder! So I got in at 11:20. Probably even a little after that because I had to do something with my GoPro. It's only 11:40. I'm exhausted. So if you're worried that an hour is not enough, Ryder's probably gonna want to stay. He's not. But you get an hour, it's plenty of time. Especially for 46 or 50.
Yeah.
You want to swim over that side?
Yeah.
Okay. Ryder, what's up? Let me see you. Hey! Okay, we're going to try and do that thing. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. Okay, so I can totally not get up on this thing. Not happening. Ray got on. Because he's a man.
Oh, please.
Okay, we're going to try and get Ryder up.
Stop spinning.
I got it! I got it! Woo! I got on! Yes! The Quintana family got on it. Let's see.
Sort of.
Say bye, Ryder. Hi.
Is it 10 minutes?
Jump.
I feel like running.
Okay. It was awesome. Exhausting. So just so you know, it runs, it starts on the hour and then it runs to 50 minutes. So it's 50 minutes. So ours ended at 11:50. I got a half an hour on there, it was fine, but we were a little late. So I think Ryder could have done a full hour. So just don't be late like us. So now we're gonna go do the slide. Ready, Ryder?
Yeah. You're good.
Good, okay. Okay, so we are back in the cabana. We did the water park and then we went and did the slide real quick. Slide is kind of slow and it's metal and it burnt my butt the entire way down. So we bought an all-day pass. I don't think I'm going again because it burnt my butt the entire way down. So I'll probably go maybe one more time with Ryder just because he wants to do it, but it was painful. It was a painful ride down. So, but anyway, so I went. We are in 6, which actually is really convenient because we have like a little exit here and the food is over there. So I actually kind of like this. I mean, you could go under the rope if you wanted to, but we have like a little exit here. So I'll show you. The proximity to the food is really good. Bartenders are coming around. But so far, highly recommend the Beach Bungalows. It's fantastic. You can see that little yellow spot right there. That is Ryder. He's just playing in the sand. And we were supposed to have some friends coming over and dropping off their kid while they did the zip line, but I don't know if they made it. And this is my food. So I got some jerk chicken, a burger, some rice and beans, and I got some burgers. So our friends that we met on the ship that were sharing the thrill park cabana, they made it over. Their son had a zip line ticket, but he's not 75 pounds. The height is enough. Like Ryder's tall enough to be on the zip line, but you have to be 75 pounds. He's 56. He's 56. Well, right now he's probably a little more, but he's 56 on a good day. So just keep that in mind. So he can't go on it. So I told her to leave him here. So now Ryder has a friend. They're playing. Ray and I can chill in our bungalow. We're chilling, and I just reapplied sunscreen on Ryder, and we are good. So this is perfect day in Labadee. That doesn't sound right. And you can see Ryder out there having a good time. I just brought the mats down for them. They're loving them. So a couple of things I also did was I brought a beach ball from 5 and Below. We brought this shark tube. So I think I had purchased it for something else and then I brought it, but don't think we're gonna need it because they have the floating mats. But if you're not getting like a cabana or a floating mat, bring it. You just gotta blow it up yourself. So they're playing with the beach ball. Also had like a little like cushy ball that they're playing with and another thing, which I'll show you now. But bring your own sand toys. I got some stuff at the dollar store, some sand toys at the dollar store that they've been playing with. And I'll probably take them back on the ship just in case we want to play with them in Coco Cay, but not gonna worry about it. Bring more than one, and you can leave them here because they're dollar store, so it's $1.25. But definitely you can bring your own toys. Highly recommend doing that. So you can see them over there. They're playing with the beach ball. Here are a couple of the toys I brought. I brought this little wave bouncer. I got at 5 and Below. These were like 2 little sets, so I got 2 of them. They were $1.25 at the dollar store. And then I also got this at 5 and Below. They haven't really played with this yet, but bring some toys so that way they can have it. But of course, can't go wrong with the beach ball. So again, you can see the bungalows right there, and here is the food. So really, really close. They've already cleaned up. It's about 1 o'clock. The food is served until 2. So we have pasta salad with cherry tomatoes, watermelon feta salad, Caesar salad, rice and beans, corn on the cob, beef hot dog. We got the buns here. Beef burgers, you can get them. The out of cheese is out, but you have cheeseburgers. These were excellent. This is what I recommend. And then you also have jerk chicken. So of everything, the burgers were amazing. And then here's the dessert. You've got banana rum cake, grandma chocolate sponge cake, coconut macaroons, which are gluten-free, and then cheese bread slice. Obviously, a variety of fruit. So we just left the bungalow. Fantastic. Highly recommend the Beach Bungalow. So it is 3:08. We are now at the tram, which has quite a bit of a line. So it's fine. The all aboard is 3:30. Obviously, we're waiting to get off the island, so they're not going to leave without us. But we are cutting a little close, but it is what it is. It's the dragon breath.
Hello, welcome
Welcome back,
Blow a
buddy.
kiss, blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss, blow a kiss. So that's where the entrance is, and then Columbus Cove is over there. So we were right in that corner, right over there. Okay, so we are back in our stateroom, and we had a great day at Labadee. Did you have a great day at Labadee? What was your favorite part?
Like basically the fun water thing.
The water park was awesome. Exhausting, but fun. I recommend doing it in the morning because then we got to relax the afternoon. But I'll do some tips and tricks later on and a recap video, some stuff there. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Say bye.